Welcome back to Sister's Kitchen. And today, I'm thanking all my subscribers. Thank you very much. We reached our 100 subscribers, so thank you guys. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please go and subscribe. I would be appreciative of that. And welcome all my new followers. Welcome you guys too. Today we're gonna make brown stew kingfish. And here I have 6 slices of fish. I have black pepper and fish seasoning in this. I have my onion over here, my pepper, bell pepper, orange, and I have some red and yellow here. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper here, and I have garlic over here. And I have my pot on the stove, my frying pan on the stove for frying the fish. So guys, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna start seasoning my fish. And not much guys, you don't have to put a lot on it. And I don't add salt to my fish seasoning, no salt. I just add black pepper and the fish seasoning. If you want to know the type of fish seasoning I use, please make a comment in the comment section and I'll let you know which one I'm using, okay? And don't be shy guys, please comment, like and share our videos. Please let more people can see it, and you can share it with your family and friends, your sister, your brother, mother, father, everybody. Just share my video please and give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up please. And if you are in the Montreal area and you want me to cook for you, you can always DM me and I'll do that for you, no problem. Wash my hands. So okay guys, I'm gonna, my oil is here, almost hot. So I'm gonna start putting my fish. Just drying my hands properly. Oil and water is not friends. So I have to get my hand dry. Okay guys, so I'm start frying my fish. I put 1 slice already. I'm just gonna put like 3 slices in there, because I'm giving more space in the pot, so you know they fry faster. This is why I love to dry my fish, because you don't dry them. Guys, we fry them on both sides. When one side is finished, you turn them on the other side. So now the fish are on the other side, we turn them on the other side now. Okay guys, so I'm going to take out the 2 last piece and I'm going to start my sauce for my brown stew. So now I'm going to change my frying pan and I'm going to get right back to you. Okay guys, now we're going to make our sauce for our brown stew fish. So I'm going to saute my onions. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And if you are new here, welcome guys. Welcome to our Sister's Kitchen. I'm gonna add some garlic. So I have 3 cloves of garlic in this. add my tomato, some green onion,
The aroma smells so nice already.
Very nice, smells very good.
Yeah. The garlic, onion.
Okay guys, so my sauce is coming on well. And guess what I'm gonna add right now? Some white wine. Okay guys, I don't have much meat in the box, but you know, I have to add some white wine to my fish. Wow. Woo. Whoa, that aroma smells so nice. Oh my gosh. Woo. I wish you were here guys to smell it. Wow. And the next thing I'm gonna add for a little bit more flavor is some coconut oil. That's gonna give it a good flavor. I'm gonna add just a spoonful of coconut oil. Guys, I'm just doing this right before I add my fish to my pot. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh. Guys, I'm gonna add my Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, let me wash my hands right away because the last time I did it. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some fish sauce. Color my sauce. This is gravy brown, okay?
Show them the brown.
Okay, so this is the gravy browning. And this is the fish sauce. I don't think you can get this one here to buy. This is I brought it from Jamaica. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add my fish slices. I'm gonna add some bell peppers on top. Steam down these for a few minutes. I'm going to add my butter. I'm going to add a little bit of butter inside just to give it that creamy taste. Maybe a spoonful and a half of butter. I'm going to make this steam for a couple minutes. right back to you with the finished product. Okay guys, so my fish is simmering now. Just getting some of the gravy all over the fish to make them moist and nice. So I'll just show you the finished product. Guys, it's looking good, it's smelling good. I could smell my coconut oil, I could, oh, it's aroma in here. Thank you guys for making it eat. It's looking very nice. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And if you're new here, welcome to our channel, our sister's channel. So now the fish is ready. My sister is going to dish some for us to eat. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm finished cooking and I share my sister's lunch. Didn't share mine yet. This is for Conchita. Have a look at it guys.
Partake of it just now.
And she's gonna partake of it as she said. Okay, so give me that plate.
I will be enjoying all of this. My plate. I will be. Fork is ready. Can't wait. Can't wait. Ready?
And this is for my videos, my sister who is doing the video, Nadine. This is for my Nadine. I will partake guys and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the videos. Thank you for watching. And if you're new here, welcome guys. So see you guys in the next video, okay? Thank you. God bless.